Hey future entrepreneur and mini importers gurus. Are you tired of headache that comes with setting up your shipping company when importing from 1688? Well, you're in luck today because in this video, I'm going to break down how you can effortlessly set up your shipping company for your mini importation business. And if that is not enough, stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to give away free shipping companies addresses that are reliable, that I've tested, that I've used for free, so you can skip the problem and start importing right away. So guys, let's get to the video. Now, what you want to do now is you log in into your 1688. Once you log in, I already taught you how you can log into 1688. If you don't know how to do it, you can just come to this video here, this video right here, how to access 1688, a complete site overview, and check this, how to log into Tauba. These two videos will show you how you can have access to 1688. Now, once you get to this site, what you want to do now is come over here. I already taught you how you can use pictures to get the product you want to buy, but I'm not going to do that now. Let's just assume. So let's assume you want to maybe buy any of this product here. Now let's pick a product. Let's say this trouser. Now let's click on it. Now once it loads, you want to translate this site to English. Phone users can also do the same. It's the same interface, the same step if you follow this step through. Now what you want to do now is you want to select how many products you want to buy. Now let's say you just want to buy, for example, maybe this one, or maybe just 4, or you can just choose any amount you want. Now this is 432 yuan. Now let's say this is the product you want to buy. You want to come here now, you click on order it now. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to another interface where it's going to bring your address. This is for the people that haven't had any shipping company to their website. Now once it brings this interface, what you want to do now is do you see this the first one here that I'm hovering my mouse on? Just click on it and it's going to bring this space for you. This is where we are going to fill our shipping company address. Now I have a shipping company address that I'm going to use. For example, let me just copy it here. So I will use this one. This is one of my friend who asked me to help him import a good from China, so I'm going to use this address for him for this tutorial. Now Ctrl C. So now once you copy it, then you come back here and you paste it. So once you paste it, then you click on this orange button here and it's going to fill it up by itself. Now can you see that it has filled by itself? Now what you want to do here, you clean this here and you put in the company's name. What is the company name? That is GIG Logistic Warehouse. So you copy it from here and you paste it. Can you see that it's very simple? Now once you come here, this place is the phone number of the logistic. Now once you come here, don't worry, they would have provided you every details that you need, every details. So you come here and you copy this GIG logistic number, then you paste it here, you paste the number of the company here, and you are going to click on this red orange button, sorry, then click on it. So after that, can you see that it has filled here? This is now our address. Can you see the shipping company address has been filled? Now this is how you can add your shipping address to your company. Now another thing you should take notice, can you see this leave a message to a seller? This is very important, guys. Once you have added your shipping company here, then what you want to do now is leave a message for the seller that, okay, after you have packaged my goods finish, please make sure you write these 3 things. They are very important. Your name, your number, and whatever. I'm sure that any company that you want to use, they will tell you what it's needed to be on your goods. So anything they tell you must be in this leave a message to a seller box. I'm going to definitely go in depth in my next video on how you can buy. I'm still going to produce a lot of videos for you that will explain all of these things, but I'm just telling you up front so that you will be aware of it. Now you can just click on submit order and it's going to deliver. So that is it, guys. Now let's now say, okay, you want to get, if you watch this video to the end, guys, honestly, I'm proud of you, and these are the bonuses I have for you. Now let's say you want to get a shipping address for yourself, like, okay, you don't want to use the one I'm showing you or the ones I'll be giving bonus. I'm sure you will need those the ones I'll be giving you at the end of this video, because there are tons of it that you can have access to. But let's say you want to research for your own. What you want to do now is you can come to this alibaba.com, and in the search button just type in shipping agent to Nigeria. Can you see shipping agent to Nigeria? And once you type it in, you want to come here and filter the ones. Can you see the one I click? This trade assurance. Okay, I think it's, you see this, you filter this trade assurance, verify supplier. You click on it, verify supplier. The store review maybe 4.5 upward. These are the ones you want to be filtering. Now these are the shipping company address you want to you get access to. Now what you want to do now is chat them up and you message them that, okay, you want to use their shipping company, and they will give you every details that you need before you can make use of their shipping company, guys. So these are the ways you can add shipping company to your site. Now, so can you see that setting a shipping company for mini importation doesn't have to be a nightmare? Seriously, with the step I've just shown you today, you are well on your way to build a streamlined, effortless importation process. And remember, the free shipping company address are in the description, so don't forget to grab those. Thanks for sticking around, and if you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell so you will never miss out on any of my premium free content. Now guys, so see you in the next video. Ciao. Bye.